The Precision Impedance Analyzer MICROTEST 6632 has 7 frequency options. Built-in DC bias voltage function. Parameters measurement. MICROTEST 6632 applications. Capacitor, inductor, resistor, transformer, ceramic resonator, quartz crystal, semiconductor components, dielectric material, magnetic material, NFC, RFID antenna, ultrasonic transducer. Research for new power energy industry. For measuring dielectric constant, you have better option instead of high-cost network analyzer. MICROTEST 6632 with built-in dielectric constant can fulfill your needs. Such as leaves could be the material of the negative electrode for sodium-ion battery. Research for new power energy industry. For measuring dielectric constant, you have better option instead of high-cost network analyzer. Evaluation of DC bias voltage characteristics with semiconductor wafer ceramic multilayer capacitors. MICROTEST 6632 built-in the magnetic permeability function. MICROTEST 6632 with DC bias current source. Maximum current can be as high as 320 ampere and frequency response 100 Hz to 10 MHz. And it offers current graphical scan to magnetic saturation curve.